Feverfew, Tanacetum parthenium. Putting the fever in feverishly amazing herb. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be exploring the world of Feverfew. This incredible plant has a long and rich history of being used all around the world to treat various illnesses and health problems. We'll take a closer look at its uses, cultural significance, and scientific research related to its potential benefits. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Let's start our journey of discovering the wonders of Feverfew. Feverfew is a member of the Asteraceae family, which also includes daisies, sunflowers, and asters. It is also known as wild chamomile or featherfew and is a perennial plant that can grow up to 60 centimeters tall. Feverfew is native to Europe but has been introduced to other parts of the world, including North America and Australia, where it has also been used for its medicinal properties. In ancient Greece, feverfew was initially used to treat fever, hence its name, but its use expanded to treating headaches, stomach aches, and inflammation. In traditional medicine, feverfew was also used to treat menstrual cramps, digestive problems, and skin conditions such as psoriasis. The active ingredient in feverfew is parathenolide, which is responsible for its medicinal properties. Its active ingredient, parathenolide, has been shown to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer effects, making it a popular subject of scientific research. In traditional Chinese medicine, feverfew is believed to have a cooling effect on the body and is used to treat various conditions such as fever, headache, and inflammation. In Indian Ayurvedic medicine, feverfew is used to alleviate respiratory problems, digestive issues, and skin conditions. Feverfew has also been used in Native American medicine to treat fever, headache, and menstrual cramps. The Cherokee people, for example, used tea made from the plant's leaves to treat these conditions. The plant was also used by the Navajo tribe as a natural insecticide. Apart from its traditional uses, feverfew has also been studied scientifically to evaluate its effectiveness in treating various health conditions. One of the most well-known uses of feverfew is for migraine relief. A study published in the journal Cephalalgia found that feverfew reduced the frequency and severity of migraines in participants. Other studies have also suggested that feverfew may help alleviate symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, menstrual cramps, and skin conditions like dermatitis and rosacea. Growing feverfew is relatively easy as it thrives in well-drained soil with full sun to partial shade. You can grow feverfew from seeds or cuttings, and it often self-seeds, making it a low-maintenance plant. To forage feverfew, look for it in fields, along roadsides, and in waste areas. The plant has a bushy appearance with white flowers and yellow-green leaves that emit a strong, bitter aroma when crushed. While feverfew is generally considered safe, it may cause side effects in some individuals, such as allergic reactions, digestive issues, and mouth ulcers. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, as well as people taking blood-thinning medications, should avoid using feverfew. So there you have it, the incredible world of feverfew. This versatile herb has a rich history of use and numerous potential health benefits, making it a valuable addition to your herbal toolkit. By growing or foraging feverfew, you can incorporate it into your daily routine to potentially improve your overall health. Just remember to always be aware of potential side effects and consult with a healthcare professional before using feverfew or any other herbal supplement. If you found this video interesting, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating herbal content. Until next time, happy herb exploring!